study program. I will discuss Power Window installation process. Number 1. Revision. Disconnect the partial battery to ensure safety. Remove the interior door panel by unscrewing and unsleeving it carefully. Remove the plastic water seal inside the door. Number 2. Remove the manual window system if visible. Roll the window down to assist the bolts holding the glass. Remove the glass by folding it and lifting it out carefully. Detach and remove the manual window regulator and crank handle. Install the power window regulator and motor. Insert the new power window regulator and motor assembly into the door frame. Link the mounting holes and secure the assembly using the profit bolts. Reinstall the glass into the door and attach it to the regulator. Number 4. Wiring and electrical connection. Connect the motor wiring to the power window switch. Connect the switch to power windows screw and slit through the flash push box or ignition system. Push are relay if necessary and ensure our wiring is isolated and secured. Number 5. Testing the system. Reconnect the fresh battery. Test the power window switch to ensure the window moves up and down smoothly. Check for any unusual noises or resistance. Number 6. Assemble the door. Replace the water seal. Reinstall the window interior the door panel. Secure all screw and clips. Ensure the window switch is properly mounted and functional. Take a silent thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.